Welcome to PFCU's video tutorial on how to send wires in business banking. In this video, I'll show you how you can send a domestic wire quickly and securely, whether you're sending money to someone's personal account, paying an invoice, or sending funds to a supplier or contractor. To make the process smooth and easy, first gather the recipient's bank account information, including bank account number, wire routing number, and the recipient's address that's on file with their bank. After logging in, hover your cursor over Move Money, then click Make Collect a Payment. Click the Make Payments radio button, then click the drop-down and select Make a One-Time Payment. Choose the funding account for the wire. Linked accounts will also display here. If not already selected, choose Domestic Wire. If you enter a payment name, this becomes the template name if you later decide to save the wire as a template after the wire is initiated. Next, enter the name and address of the person who will receive the wire. Enter the bank account number and re-enter it to confirm. The reference information field is optional. Enter the purpose of the wire. Enter the routing number of the financial institution that will receive the funds. The name displays as soon as you enter the routing number for verification. Next, enter the amount you'd like to send. Then choose a send-on date. The current date is selected automatically, but can be scheduled for up to 1 year in the future. Then click Continue to review. If everything is correct, click Pay. A confirmation message displays to tell you that the wire was scheduled. If the business has other admins, they will be sent an email asking them to review the wire. They will need to grant approval so the wire can be sent. This can be done in the web or in the mobile app. You can see a history of your payments from Move Money, Scheduled Payments, then click on each tab to see all of your scheduled payments, approved payments, or declined or failed payments. To cancel a wire that you just scheduled, click Cancel. Otherwise, you can contact the credit union to cancel a wire as long as it has not yet been sent. That's all for now. We hope you found this informative. Thanks for watching.